Hi guys. What? See? I knew it was gonna fall. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my two slimes. I need some more. So first, I'm gonna show you guys the one.
It's going for every time
I'm about to put it right here. Okay, that's better, right? Today, did I already say what I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna be showing you guys my two slimes. So yeah, first I'm gonna show you guys the one that I really made, because the other one is bought, but the only thing we did was add foam balls in it. But this one I made, and this one I call
that one you call
hot cocoa, because of the chocolate thing, and the foam balls are the marshmallow thing. And it kind of smells like chocolate. It smells. It stinks a little bit. Nah, it smells like chocolate, but it stinks just a little bit. Okay. So here's this one is a metallic slime, and it's a cream cheese slime. What else? And yeah, and it is a cream cheese slime. Cream cheese slime doesn't punch that much. I'm gonna try to poke it. But cream cheese slime doesn't poke a lot, except some. Or it doesn't crunch a lot. And it always breaks. And this is very stretchy. Very runny. Oh! So yeah. Now let's get on to the next one. Okay, let me make sure this. Right. Okay. This is the next one. We bought this slime, except that we just added the foam on. So if not, it would have been like this, like plain like this. If you guys could see, like that. And then, but we just added the foam balls, like I said. And yeah, so other foam balls rose to the top during the night and stuff. So yeah. Can we turn on the AC?
No.
It's hot.
Open your window a little bit.
Oh, I was gonna say, why doesn't it go back up? But the noise is annoying. See, I'm gonna just rip out some. And I made foam balls before. Well, I didn't make foam balls, but I actually did kind of, because I used the tapioca thingy, the tapioca something. I use it to like as foam balls, and then I put like I think it was honey. Yeah. And then I melted it, and like I put it in the microwave, and then it made foam ball slime. Okay, this is getting kind of weird. Oh, sorry. It's just kind of over boraxed. And it is clear. Just like my other slimes. Some of my other slimes. So yeah, like I said, this is just over boraxed. I didn't mean to put too much, cause the ones that you buy is like kind of melted. I bought this at 5 Euro. It was kind of melted, so I had to put borax of water. So this one does poke kind of. And by the way, we're getting my sister from her job. So hold on. Let's see. Wait. Let me put this up because it's kind of annoying, and I'm gonna poke it. See, this one is cream cheese slime too, so it doesn't poke that much. It said it on the wrapper, but I took the wrapper out because I didn't want people from school to think that it was like a bot. I don't know why. Even though there's no big deal about people knowing that it's bought. So, yeah. And it's very crunchy. I don't know how. Oh! Oh well, I can pick that up. And yeah. There's literally foam balls everywhere. Ashley is gonna kill me. She don't like when
you gotta pick them up.
I am. She don't like when her foam balls are on the floor. I don't know why there's such a big deal about it. Watch her be like, why do you always have my slime? Because every time I have her slime, she always says that. Okay. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.